Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Laredo Division at Keystone RV. Today I'm here to discuss the benefits of the 50 amp heavy-duty detachable power cord system that we put standard on every single travel trailer. As you can see, the power cord quickly and easily attaches to the back of the unit. This is a 50 amp cord, it's heavy-duty, and that means that every single one of our travel trailers is wired and framed for a second air conditioner. Thanks for taking a minute to learn a little bit more about the power source on every single Laredo travel trailer. For more information, log on to our website or see your local dealer.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.